phone key wirelessly communicates with your car over Bluetooth, so even when you're without cellular connectivity, your phone will function as the key. Open the Tesla app to manually manage locks and to control your doors, trunks, and charge port over Bluetooth. This is in addition to the span of other app controls that use the internet connections of your phone and your car. When using phone key, you should always keep one of the backup keycards with you, wherever you keep your driver's license. This way, you have another option in case your phone dies or you choose to hand your Tesla to a valet. To unlock your Tesla using the keycard, press it against the driver's side door pillar below the camera. Do the same to lock the car. To power on your Tesla so you can drive using the backup keycard, place it on one of your wireless phone chargers and press the brake. These icons flash and your drive mode appears on your instrument cluster, indicating that your Tesla is ready to drive. If you like, you can pair key fobs to use as alternatives to phone key. As with phone key, when a key fob is on you, your car will automatically unlock as you approach it, power on for driving when you press the brake pedal, and lock as you walk away. If you choose to use a fob, you'll just keep it in your purse or pocket most of the time. There are also buttons inside the fob. Double press on the rear to open or close your liftgate. Press here once to stop your liftgate while it's moving. Double press on the windshield area to pop open your front trunk. The hood is made of aluminum, so it's much lighter than those of traditional cars. To close it, set it down gently and then lean into it with your palms on each side of the latch. The locks button is on the roof of the key. A single press locks your Tesla and a double press unlocks it. If paths are clear, triple press to close any open doors and lock Model X. These buttons on the sides of the fob control your Falcon Wing doors. We'll cover them in the doors video. To pair a key fob for use with your car, tap Controls, Locks, and then here to add a new key. Follow the prompts on the screen. You'll need one of your backup key cards to complete the process. You can manage any of your phone keys, key fobs, or backup key cards from this menu.